Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to Legacy Studio. Sort of, no, that's my other channel. Welcome to my channel here and my Draw Too Much sketch lessons. Guys, it's time to look a little bit more at mouths. Now, you know what? Not everyone have the most straight teeth on planet Earth. And, sometimes dentists are expensive, okay? That's how it goes. They're expensive. And I never wanted braces anyway. That just looks painful. Anyway, but what if we want to draw some braces on someone? Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about drawing braces. It's quick, it's painless, it's easy. This is going to be the quickest tutorial. I'm not even going to bother to set a timer for you. We're going to take a look at it right now. Different ways to draw fun braces. It's quick and it's painless. Alright, remember guys, we kind of talked about this in the first video, but let's be a little bit more descriptive on the idea of drawing braces. If you are dealing someone with very obvious up-front braces, let's have some fun with it. Let's go ahead and start with the top teeth here. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to make our pencil just a little bit smaller here. We're going to draw two individual shapes here just like this. Connect them with a box, and then take a wire over here to the next tooth. Two squares like this, like that, and take it over to the next tooth. And then as it gets further back, maybe round them around a little bit more. Maybe make that second one a little bit smaller. Try and hide it a little bit more. And just connect these up. You can just take these straight through if you want and put some kind of weird bracket here. Here's the thing that's fun, though. I mean, unless you're really trying to make these absolutely detailed because you can just tell that the braces are a very key thing for this person's look, you don't have to work that hard at this. The part that the people will like, especially kids, if the kids have braces, most adults have clear braces because they don't want actually people to see that they have braces. But if you're drawing kids, kids like those colors, and you can do some pretty fun things for kids with their braces and colors. And if that's the case, all you got to do is say, hey, what color you want? And they can tell you blue, silver blue, pink, whatever. And you simply go ahead and fill in this center area here just like this. And you can do that. Now, of course, it is made of metal, so you want to try and get some gray in here just to fill out some of these areas. If you need to color it in, go ahead and do that. But usually you'll find in the quick, like on the bottom here, let's go ahead and pretend that we're just trying to push through something really, really, really fast. This is the very basic theory of how to do this. All you got to do is make a little square, little square, little square, little square. And as it goes further back into the mouth, make the square smaller, smaller, smaller. Remember, we're looking at a mouth. It's like this. If I go, like that, the teeth aren't all flat going across. They're going back into my head. So when you're going and you're drawing something on the mouth, you want to show that those teeth are making their way back into the back of the head, and that's by going and taking the form of this this mouth, okay? So try and get the shape right and make those squares smaller, and then as they come forward, make them bigger, you know? Don't be afraid to exaggerate that a little bit, all right? So I'm drawing this really quick. I'm using a little bit of a different pressure that I should be, so just the goal is bigger to smaller here. Try to get that, keep that form, and then go ahead and draw that line. Now, if you're drawing this person's smile at a bit more of an angle, where they're kind of looking up at you, and you're trying to draw that smile, then you got something a little bit more like this, all right? So you got this, and your teeth are definitely kind of bracketed a little bit more. Don't be afraid to take those those braces and follow along the line of that tooth, and then draw in your gums this way, okay? Just like that, trust me, it'll make a big difference because you want to keep that definition, that dynamic look of everything being in context. I'm not just straight at you smiling. Sometimes you want that different shape and form. You want it to be at different angles. There's nothing wrong with that. Well, guys, we didn't set a timer for this, but that is the general idea of how you want to draw these things, and it's the main goal I want to teach you. It's not exactly, I mean, I use circles there. There's nothing wrong with using circles. That's how I would sound if I had braces. And it's not about getting it exactly right. It's about creating that shape. The more shape that you can create in the face, the more dynamic it's going to be. If you're just drawing it straight ramrod right here in front with no general details at all, it looks dead. It looks flat. It looks like you drew it on a piece of paper. That's not what we're trying to do here. We're trying to make things more detailed, refined, and fun for the person you're about to give that caricature to. That is the goal here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget, you can fill in the colors here on each one of these braces down there and give it some flow. Make sure to mix it up a little bit. Sometimes they get different colors on each individual tooth. Why not? Have fun. It's going to make the caricature fun for you. It's going to make it fun for them. And when all is said and done, you make your moolah or you give a cool gift to a friend. All right, that's how it goes, folks. Keep watching more tutorials here. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the bell button so that you can get notifications on when the next video comes out. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time right here on another Draw Too Much sketch lesson. Bye.